Today we'll show you how to record with high quality with OBS Studio. Okay, just here, go to OBS and click here. This is screen all. Okay, just go to setting, click in the setting. Okay, the first here we have a video. If you have a low PC, like don't have performance good, okay, just choose this. And if you have a performance high, okay, choose 9020 and 1080. After this, go to output, and here you can choose advanced, like you are choose what you want here, like custom, but we here choose simple. Okay, now we have like this, just choose high quality with medium file size. After this, if you have a like CPU, like don't have any graphic card, just choose this. And if you have NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, just hardware NVIDIA or your AMD. After this, go now to video. If everything it's okay, now to audio, here choose this, and stereo. Here you can choose any your microphone, if your camera or what you want. After this, you can go now to stream. If you want to stream, you can stream anything. Here you can choose, this is hot case to start record or to pause record. You can choose like this and like this and choose like this. You want. After all this, choose apply and okay. Now we will see. Okay, if you want to just choose one screen, like I want to choose only the Google Chrome. Okay, here, like 1 second. Here and here we choose a Google Chrome. Just enter to Google Chrome and here choose a Google. 1 second. Like this. Here we have only Google Chrome screen. If you want to screen your display, just here go to display capture and here click and here choose your screen, and here we are like what have your Windows screen. So here you can put like and subscribe and share, and thank you.